Okay, bit of an update on the moke project. I've just finished my rotisserie. Look, I just want to say a big thank you to the Cafe Racer guy that did up the yellow moke. Super helpful details. I've sort of copied his rotisserie to a degree, and I'll just show you how it all came out. And these are just super cheap engine stands. I had to extend them for the reason that the distance between the centre line and the guard was not enough between the base and the centre line here. So I've extended them, I think it's about 270 mil. Yeah, and so I've come through, I'll put a frame through here, as you can see. There, welded to there, and up where the front engine bay goes, or mounts. I don't know what you call it, the front wheel section, motor section. So one bolt through each corner. This is prototype number 2, because I had initially this running straight across, but I wanted to get it away from here so I could work on it. I've just got a pin through here so I can stop it rotating if need be. Rear, I've done the exact same thing. I've had to cut this and angle it because when you buy them from Super Cheap, they're sort of facing upwards, so to count for the weight of the motor, I imagine. But I've levelled these up so they're perfectly level. And I've just come straight across here. Now the Cafe Racer guy, apologies, I can't remember your name, he bolted through here, but as you can see this has been dodged up, so I need to do some work there. So I've gone through 2 existing holes here and 2 holes there. Yeah, a little bit of work to start happening now. You can see the amount of rust, and it's actually not too bad. I've sort of uncovered more and more, but I've bought the new, I've sourced the new floor panels. I'm also doing a half toe board. Probably could have got away without it, but and that is so easy to turn. There it is there. Now, for an old fella that hasn't got the best of backs, this is just going to make my life so much easier, because getting into here was climbing in and out. Even though I've got the hoist, it wasn't that easy for me. I'm not as flexible as I used to be. So really pleased with this. Uncovered a few things that were hidden when I pulled the dash out. As you can see here, someone's had a crack at it before. They had a plate of alloy just glued on there, and they bogged up against it from the outside, because it's right on the windscreen on this frame here. But that's okay, I'll cut that out, plate it, you won't even see it. As I said, I probably would have got away without the lower end of the toe board, but I want this to be a full nut and bolt restoration, and like it came out of the factory when it's finished. That's my plan. So as you can see, ripped down to Super Cheap. These are about 160 bucks each. My plan is when I'm finished, I'm going to sell it as a moke rotisserie, and I should at least recover my money anyway. But man, does this make working on it easy. Fantastic.